Hello and good morning, my pretties. We are here today with the PR package from Madam Glam. Leave the box right away, out of New York, New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. They reached out to me, and I was so very, very excited, and asked if I would do some work for them, and I'd be crazy to say no, so I jumped on the chance. I was so excited. She had me pick out 3 colors, which I did do. Love the packaging. It's got the styrofoam eggshell carton in the lid. You can put mini Easter eggs in there. It comes with a 6-watt lamp. I picked out 3 gorgeous colors. It comes with a soak off top coat. This is a no white. And a base coat. So we're going to put this aside. I'm going to use my own lamp because it's already hooked up and it's what's easier for me. So there's our top coat, base coat. Here's our first color right here. I think this is gorgeous. This is Eternal. This is, let me set this up right here. Give it a minute to settle. Look at this beautiful, beautiful color. This is like a pink hollow. We're going to swatch each one of these colors out. This is called Fluorescent Lights. Give it a minute to settle. For a second. This is a beautiful hollow sparkle glitter as well. Beautiful. And last but not least, we have got Bubble Bath. Tap it down. Help it flow a little bit faster. These are all beautiful colors. I cannot wait to swatch them. But first we're going to put our base coat on. Pop them in the lamp. Soak off base coat. I want to tell you, Madam Glam is 21 free, cruelty free, vegan, Hema and palm oil free as well. I mean, who can ask for something better than that, right? Should have cut these little nails down. They are like super long. Super, super long. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. I greatly appreciate it. Check out Madam Glam on all social media platforms. You can find them everywhere. Wipe the other side of this nail off. We're going to pop these in the link. Alrighty, we are now ready to apply. That is our top coat. Whoops. We are now going to apply Bubble Bath. I think this is a beautiful color. Oh yeah, we're going to need more than one coat though. Second cut I will be doing off camera. Too much polish. Get a little bit extra out because I got such a long stiletto nail. The beautiful thing about polish like this, gel polish and nice quality gel, is that it self-levels. That's when you know you have a nice quality polish. This right here is fluorescent lights. Fan your brush out. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. You could even possibly wear this as a topper. The middle one here, fluorescent lights, you could definitely wear that over black. I should get another nail out. Let me see. When this is in the lamp, I think I'm going to prep another nail, paint it, probably bubble bath, and put the fluorescent lights over the top of it. Sorry if I'm out of frame there. Beautiful. These are some beautiful, beautiful polishes. Look at this. I'm very happy with my choice. I'm gonna pop these in the lamp. And I'll return after the second coat. Alright, we are back. Excuse me. Look at how beautiful these are. These are stunning. Before I forget to tell you, I have an affiliate link that will be down in the description box, as well as a 30, yes you heard me right, 30% off discount code. Not 10, not 15, and surely not 20. 30% off discount code. Just nailed it. 30. Save yourself 30% off your entire order. It doesn't matter what you're ordering, but let me tell you something. These are new arrivals. I got to pick what I wanted, and I picked 3 of the new arrivals, which is beautiful, and thank you for that, Madam Glam. Also, excuse me, they have some stunning, stunning pudding gels out. Those have just been released, so check those out on the website too, madamglam.com. Check them out on social media. These are just stunning. The fourth nail here, we're going to put iridescent lights over it. See how it looks. See if this is good as a topper. I feel like they're too close together. Alright. Oops. I'm going to hurry and pop this one in the lamp so we can top coat at the same time. These 3 here. Put the lid on this one. The 3 nails before me. I want to make sure you can still see these. I am going to put the blue. Blue. I have got a palette here off to the side. I'm going to get some white polish. I'm going to make a couple of little snowflakes. It has snowed recently here in southeastern Michigan. We got like a little over 6 inches. Which was a darn right shame. Tomorrow is supposed to be 55, I believe. Monday was warm. That was nice out. Oh, snap. Okay. Yeah, looks like the North Star. If I had a thinner brush, maybe it would look right. I'm not sure. The brush is not the thinnest. There we go. This is a blue hollow. Stunning, stunning color. I would sport these in a heartbeat if I wore gels. Put that off to the side. Sorry about this. Now the pink here, I want to take, I've had these dragons and I've been itching to use them. So I think I will. Whoops. Trying to find my other tweezers. So I'm going to take a black snake, or black diamond. And there we go. I love these colors, they're just stunning. Just stunning. Now we're going to start top coating. The glitter one here, the fluorescent lights, or what is it called? Fluorescent lights. You want to put a bow on that one. This is a nice thick top coat. Oh. That me was a little ready. And again, don't forget the description box, there is an affiliate link with my discount code for 30% off your entire bill on MadameGlam.com. Head right over, check out their catalog, their new arrivals, their pudding gels. They are stunning. Oh, you can, oh, they have a VIP. Oh my God, I almost forgot to tell you they have a VIP. If you get taken out of your account, $29 a month, it's put like in a little old savings account for you on Madame Glam. You can either use it each month, or you can stockpile it up and go on a shopping spree. Your choice. That is for VIP members only. You get certain products that are VIP only, that only VIPs can purchase, that the mainstream folks cannot. You know, so it's kind of worth it. Okay, let me get my little bow. And there we go. There are our nails. I think these are stunning. So we're going to pop these in the lamp, give them a full cure. And we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. There are our stunning nails. Now these are not a no wipe top coat. You do need to wipe them off to get your lint-free white. Your isopropyl alcohol. And give them a little wiping down. Whoops, 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 caught my ring. How funny is that? So give each one of them a little wipe. There we go. These are stunningly beautiful, these polishes are. Don't forget, visit my description box. Use my affiliate link, as well as my 30% off discount code. I'm honored to have had this opportunity. I thank you, man, and Glam. It really touched me, and I'm honored to have had this chance. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the notification bell, and have a blessed day. Thank you.